Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this presentation. In this video we are going to discuss about the numerical problems on electric discharge machining. Few of them has been asked previously in gate examination. Okay, so let's start. The first problem, all the problems will be based on the RC type generator. Okay, so the first problem is in a RC type generator, the maximum charging voltage is 80 volt. So the value of VC star is given to you, and the charging capacitor is 100 microfarad. So the value of C is given to you. Okay, now determine the spark energy, means E value of E you have to find out. So from the formulas, that E will be equals to half of VC star square into C into this term. So the timing, that is TD, that is discharge timing, is not given to you. RM is not given to you, so we'll eliminate this thing, and the equation will be half of VC star square into C. So just we have to put the value, that is C is equals to 100 microfarad. So this will be 100 into 10 raised to the power minus 6, that is micro we are converting, and into VC star, that is 80 volt. So when you will calculate it, you will get the value, that is 0.32 joule. Okay, so please keep in mind that whatever the energy value that you are getting, that is in joule, not in watt. Okay, so the next is for a RC type generator to get a maximum power dissipation during the charging. Please keep in mind, during the charging is given to you. So the value of VC star, that is maximum voltage during the charging, can be equal to 0.716 into V naught. So the V naught is basically OCV, open circuit voltage. Okay, determine the idle time for RC when the value of charging resistance is 10 ohm and the charging capacitance is 200 microfarad. So means what we have to find out, that is idle time. So the meaning of idle time here is related with the charging time, because all the thing that is given to you is related with the charging. Okay, this value as well as RC and C, so everything is given to you is related with the charging. So whatever the time that you are going to find out, idle time, that will give you the charging time. Okay, so for that we are using this formula, that is ln V naught minus VC star upon V naught equals to minus TC upon CRC. So the value of TC that we have to find out, everything is given to you. So first of all, what we are doing is we are just putting this value VC star over here. Okay, so this will give you the 0.716. when you will put it and calculate it, you will get this value, that is 0.284. okay, that will be equals to minus TC upon C, that is 200 microfarad. So 200 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 into RC, that is 10 ohm. Okay, so this will when you will calculate it, you will get this value, this is 2.517.56 microsecond. Okay, so when you will convert it into the millisecond, so it will give you 2.517 millisecond. Okay, so this is about the value of E. Okay, sorry, TC. Next is the problem that has been asked previously in GATE 2015 in set 2. Okay, so the resistance capacitance relaxation circuit, means RC type circuit, is used in EDM process. The discharge voltage is 100 volt. Now here it's not charging voltage, it is discharging voltage. It means that it's as the figure that we have considered, like this is basically the VC star, and once the discharging start, it will reach to the minimum value, that is not 0 but some minimum value is there. So this is VD star. When it will reach to the VD star, again we will charge it and reach to the maximum voltage, that is VC star, again it will discharge. So what here the value that is given to you 100 volt, either it can be VD star, okay, or either it can be VC star, or it can be in between this VC star or VD star. So nothing is we cannot assume, but we cannot predict basically. So what we have to do is, what the value we have to find out, accordingly we will assume the value of that. Okay, at a spark cycle time that is given to you is 25 microsecond. The average power input required is 1 kilowatt. Okay, the capacitance value that we have to find out. So for this we are using this formula, that is E equals to the energy, that is equals to 1 by 2 Vc star square into C into 1 minus e to the power minus 2 Td upon Crm. Now as the Td and Rm, again the machining resistance is not given to you, so we are eliminating this term, and it will be equals to E is equals to 1 by 2 C into Vc star square. Now whatever the value that we have to find out of E, that will be in joule, but here the power input is given to you in kilowatt. So what we have to do, the time that is given to you, so accordingly we will convert this energy into the joule. So for that 1 kilowatt, that is 1 into 10 raised to power 3, sorry, 1 into 10 raised to power 3 into the time spark timing, that is 25 microseconds. So that 10 raised to power minus 6 equals to 1 by 2 into C, that we have to find out, into Vc star. Now this discharging voltage that we are assuming that this is the maximum value of discharging, means at the beginning of the discharging is given to you, because this part from here to here, this is a discharging, okay, in this region. So it is if it is a Vc star, means charging can be reached up to this voltage, so this is a maximum charging voltage, but at this or after this the discharging is start. So we can assume that Vc star as a Vd star or Vd star as a Vc star here. Okay, so this will, when you will calculate it, it will give you the value is C equals to 5.0 microfarad. So the answer is B. Okay, next is in a EDM process using RC relaxation circuit, a 10 mm diameter through hole is made in a steel plate of 70 mm thickness using a graphite tool and kerosene as a dielectric. Okay, so the kerosene is given to you. Assume discharge timing to be negligible. So please keep in mind, whatever the value that we have to find out, we have to keep in mind that for that discharge timing is 0. Okay, the machining is carried out under the following condition. So the condition is given to you. So first is machining resistance. So the machining resistance is Rm, that is 10 ohm is given to you. Charging resistance, that is Rc, is given to you, that is 50 ohm. The capacitance value of C is given to you, that is 20 microfarad. Okay, voltage characteristic in the represented in the figure. Okay, so the figure is also given to you. Okay, so this is basically the figure. Calculate the cycle time for one cycle, means Tc we have to find out. So for that cycle time, that is Tc, that is charging time, plus Td, that this is discharging time. So for that is in this problem it is mentioned that discharging time we have to negligible. So here we are assuming that is 0. So whatever the cycle time that we will get, that will be equals to Tc. Okay, so first of all that we have to find out the value of Tc. Next is we have to find out the average power output. Okay, so the value of E we have to find out. Now as per in this figure, so first of all we can see this from this figure as well, that what is given to you in this figure, so that also we can write in the given data. So this is y-axis voltage and x-axis it is time. So OCV, that is maximum voltage when there is a no load, that is OCV. So that is given to you is 220 volt. Okay, so when you will charge it, it will reach to some maximum value, that is Vc star, and that value is 110 volt. Okay, again will for the time being Td will discharge it, and from here it will reach to here. So this will be Vd star. So this is equals to 70 volt. Okay, so this is Vc star and Vd star value we can get it from here, from this figure. So these are the data that is given to you. Okay, this Tc cycle that we are going to find out. So for that during the charging, this is the formula that I am using. Ln V naught minus Vc star upon V naught, that will be equals to minus Tc upon CRC. Okay, so when you will put the value, because V naught is given to you, that is 220, and VC star is 110 volt. Okay, so when you will put these values, and C is 20 microfarad, so 20 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Okay, and the value of RC, that is charging resistance, is 50 ohm. So everything I have written over here, and when you will calculate it, you will get the value that is 0.6931 millisecond. Okay, next is the energy, so or the average power output. So this will be is in this figure, in this problem it's mentioned that we have to eliminate, or we have to consider negligible this TD, so we are neglecting this term. So automatically it will be E equals to 1 by 2 C into VC star square. So C is given to you and VC star is also given to you. So just put the value, that is 20 into 10 raised to power minus 6 into VC star, that is 110 square. So when you will put it, you will get this value, that is 0.121 joule. But in this problem, the average power output that has been asked in kilowatt. So that is we are using this cycle time. So the cycle time will be equals to TC. Okay, so the TC that we have find out, that is 0.6931 millisecond. So when you will put this value, that is, I'm just converting into the second, so 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, here I am writing 10 raised to power minus 3 because converting in second. So from here, when you will convert it, you will get this value 0.174 in kilowatt. Okay, so this is the value of average power output. Next is in the above problem, in the same problem, what we have considered, what the data that we have considered in problem 4. For that means we have to consider the discharge timing, and we have to calculate the time for one cycle. So cycle time, as I told you, that cycle time is equals to TC, that is charging time, plus discharging time. In the last problem, we considered it as a 0, and we find out only TC. So the TC will be same, only we have to find out the value of TD. Okay, so when you will sum it, we'll get the value of T cycle. So these are the data that is given in previous problem, and this is the value of TC. Okay, now for the TD, this formula will be ln VD star upon VC star equals to minus 1 by C into RM into TD. Okay, so everything is given to you. VD, that is 70 volt, VC star, that is 110, equals to 1 upon C, that is 20, RM, that is 10, and TD we have to find out. Okay, so when you will put this value, the TD will be equals to 0.0904 millisecond. Okay, so when you will add it to the TC, you will get this cycle time that will be equals to 0.7835 millisecond. Okay, so that is the total time. So these are the references that I have taken for all these videos. Okay, PN Rao, that is volume 2 book, and the one of the notes from the IIT's professor of IIT Kharagpur. So you can go through that. Okay, so thank you so much, guys.